Okay, Hunter.
Wait, don't
just
move.
got here.
Don't move. My head's gonna be
Aaron
right here.
got
hey,
tangled
Connor,
up.
pull my boot off.
Okay. We are at Nicholas's house,
Pull my boot off.
and it's snowing like crazy.
Pull my boot off.
Nick and Mason are here. Hunter
Give me
and
the
Arrow.
phone.
Ready, go. Go, Trent. Go, Trent. Hunter. Yeah, Hunter.
I want your face back.
Burn out. Burn out. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, shoot. Do a burnout! He's just spitting at him. Oh. Oh my god. Oh shoot, I'm like falling off. Oh man.
Can you get like an inner tube that you use on the water?
Dude, that'd be sick. Me.
Got the what? Oh no, he didn't. I got the gifts now. Put your head down. Put your head down.
Okay, Nick is up now. Here we go. Ready, Nick? Okay, burn it. Yeah, Nick.
Alright.
Here, Trent. Oh my god.
Have no need to fight tonight.
Hang on tight. Oh no.
Cast me far away. Play these little games. Acting all okay. Today. Cast me far away.
There's Hunter's dad. Let's go, Trent! balls, it is freaking cold. We're at Nick's house now. There's his dad. Attaboy, Nick. Okay, so me and Nicholas are gonna go to Mason's house to get some sleds and then probably meet up with Cade and go sledding.
I'm so far out of sight. Yeah, that sounds about right. Sounds about right. Let's kill this cup, not my vibe. Be the highlight of my night. Yeah. Look alive. We can stop.
Got Mason. Cade is gonna meet us over there, and we're gonna just hit some of these hills fast.
Okay, doing the 24-hour survival challenge. It's only been 2 minutes so far.
We're building our fort up in this tree.
Getting our fort ready. We're already running low on supplies. We'll keep you updated through the night. Peace out.
Peace out. Cade's here, guys. Go, Cade, go, go, go. Go. How do you feel? How do you, oh. Yeah.
I got like none of that video.
Cade just fell in. Cade just fell in. It might be a little bit blurry, but he just like fell in.
Woke up and just felt right. Phone blown like a tailpipe.
Hey guys, everyone I was Nick, what are you? Okay. Everyone that I was with, I'm gonna put their Instagram links in the bio or the description. So yeah, follow them.